All right, so this is the part 3. I cleaned those really well, those pistons, and lubed them with all-purpose grease. I did look inside here on the new one and made sure that everything looked like it was put together right. I felt in there, see if there's any pieces of metal or anything from the fabrication, but it came very clean. It looked very good, but I'm going to go ahead and put in one of those seals in there in the middle. Wasn't quite snapped down in, so I snapped it back in. So check that before you slide it together. I'll make this the last of the video, but so check that out. Make sure it looks like it's right. Make sure those cups are actually, where you can't see the inside groove because it slides on the right way. But I'll make this the end of the video. Just make sure it's real clean. You don't want to have any sand and crap in there on any of this. Just wear your seals out. All right. I'll make another video if I think I need to, but I think this will be it. I'll just put it back together. It's so damn easy, I can't believe it.